how to make a new account on TikTok. So if you want to make a new account on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You can make as many accounts as you want, but it should just be sure that you haven't linked the same email and phone number to an old TikTok account. Now, first of all, simply launch the TikTok app. And when you are on the sign up screen, you have a couple of options. You can choose to sign up with your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook account as well. If you want to do an independent sign up, then you can use your phone number, or if you don't want to use your phone number, you can also tap on continue with email option right here. Now simply go ahead and then enter the email address that you want to use for your TikTok account right here. After you've done that, tap on the send code option and make sure that you have access to that email because it will send a verification code. But before that, what you have to do is simply choose a password. So go ahead and then choose a password that is at least 8 characters and 20 characters maximum, 1 letter and 1 number, 1 special character. And after that, tap on next. Verify the OTP code that will be sent to your email, and your TikTok account will be created just like that. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then make a new account on TikTok. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.